Hi, my name is Maria and I'm a fourth year civil engineering student at UNV.
Hi, my name is Fang, and I'm in my fourth year study of environmental management. Today we have decided to create an education video on a material called biochar.
Biochar is a solid material obtained from heating plant material in an oxygen-deprived environment. It can be used for a range of applications as an agent for soil improvement, remediation, protection against environmental pollution, as an avenue for greenhouse gas mitigation.
So how is biochar made? Biochar is made using a process called pyrolysis. This means it requires low oxygen levels and high temperature and pressure. Pyrolysis involves placing the biomass into a special oven before heating in the presence of little or no oxygen. The result is a stable solid material rich in carbon content that can efficiently capture carbon and lock the carbon into the soil.
It can be our answer to climate change and growing food prices. Let us look at this material in a bit more detail.
Archaeologists found an ancient civilization occupied an area in the Amazon rainforest 2,000 years ago. This was surprising because the soil conditions showed that it could not grow enough food to support a civilization of that size.
After more research, they found that in some regions the soil properties were of better quality called terra preta. It is very rich in carbon and darker in color. Examination of the soil exhibited that it was enhanced by man by a method called slash and burn. This is cutting down dead trees to make more space for farmland. They would then dig huge pits, burn the material, and bury it with soil. This deprived the process of oxygen.
The low level of oxygen prevents from carbon dioxide being formed. Instead, plant dense carbon is left behind, which is used as an organic fertilizer to grow the crops. As I mentioned before, it is formed by a process called pyrolysis.
Biochar is a means of converting agricultural waste into a soil enhancer that can retain carbon, improve food security, and enhance soil biodiversity. In addition to creating a soil enhancer, sustainable biochar practices can produce oil and gas byproducts that can be used as fuel, providing clean, renewable energy. When the biochar is buried in the ground as a soil enhancer, the system can become carbon negative.
The structure of biochar looks like this. Loss of pores means loss of surface area. A slight electrical charge on the surface tends to draw things and settle on the surface. Apart from sunlight, the other things plants need to grow are nutrients, water, and microorganisms. The pore structure behaves like a sponge absorbing and storing these materials.
Biochar behaves as an air and water filter. Nutrients are retained in pores, preventing leaching into water bodies. It also reduces the need for fertilizers because of this. Moreover, it is a significant reserve of water and can be used during dry spells. We researched a bit more and found that biochar can be made at home in a small scale. All you need is a tin can with a hole lid, and you place some twigs, pieces of wood, or any plant material such as cones or tree bark. We filled it with twigs, and you close the lid tightly and place it in a brick stove overnight, or you can put on a small bonfire for 3 to 4 hours. After it's cooled down, you'll find that it has converted into biochar. It's going to be very light, less dense, and very easily crushed. So all you have to do is crush it, soak it with good bacteria, and forms a very good organic compost material. And it's considered as an organic fertilizer. You just add it to soil, and you can grow plants. And as we have covered so far, it's a lot more productive and forms better plants with denser roots, and might be the solution to solving a growing food crisis. And we had a lot of fun preparing this presentation.
Yes, and we also learned a lot when we were preparing for this presentation, and we learned that it is so easy to create this biochar at our own homes, and we hope this video is useful for you to try to create some biochar on yourself. Thank you.